Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to TechUp YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check Shazam history on iPhone without an app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to open the settings, and now once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen, where you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the control center. So once you find it, simply tap on the control center, and now you will be redirected to the control center section. Now you'll be able to see the music recognition at the bottom of this screen. So to show you a demo from this scratch, let me remove it first. And now you need to scroll a little bit down, and you can see the music recognition on in the screen. Now you simply need to tap on the plus icon, and now you will be able to add it to your control panel successfully. And you can also adjust the position by tapping on the three lines on in the screen. And now what you need to do is you simply need to slide it from the top right corner of your screen, and now you will be able to see the Shazam icon at the bottom right corner of this control panel. And to access it, just tap on that icon and you will be able to turn it on. And if you long tap on this icon, then you will be able to see the Shazam history over here successfully. And if you want to delete it, what you can do is simply slide it to the left and tap on the delete icon, and you will be able to delete it successfully. So basically this is how you can check Shazam history on iPhone without an app on iOS device. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.